On to the coronavirus. Starting on Friday, the city of Milwaukee is easing up restrictions. Indoor gatherings of up to 250 people will be good to go if you're following safety precautions. City health officials say this decision was made after careful review of the COVID-19 trends in Milwaukee, and those trends are looking better. Adriana Mendez has more on how these changes will impact grieving families.
It's been a difficult year for everyone, especially those who have lost loved ones. And with the easing of COVID-19 restrictions coming later this week, that means funeral homes like this one can hold larger ceremonies for people saying their goodbyes. Losing a loved one is tough, and not being able to properly say goodbye is even harder.
The past year has been a very frustrating year because we can't give the families what they really want to do.
Mark Reese, co-owner of Heritage Funeral Home, says due to COVID-19 restrictions, they have had to limit the number of people inside their building.
For a very long time, we were only allowed 10 people, 10 people to come into the building at a time. And that really is hard for people to accept that too, you know. They understand it, but it's a situation where the families are in need.
Under the new health order set to take place on Friday, in the city of Milwaukee, indoor gatherings of up to 250 people are allowed as long as social distancing is taking place and masks are worn. The new provisions even allow larger gatherings with an approved safety plan. Reese says he has a waiting list of about 40 families that plan on redoing their celebration of life ceremonies once restrictions are lifted.
And that's what a lot of these people are waiting to do because they were only given the opportunity to do this much.
Reese says although we are living in a time where we can't give hugs or handshakes for comfort, he says the impact of a person showing up to pay their respects means the world to families going through a heartbreaking time.
You can see on their faces how bright they get, that people are so very grateful that they took the time out of their day or evening to come and pay their respects. And that just fills people up.
And more people will get to do just that when the restrictions are rolled back on Friday. In Milwaukee, Adriana Mendez, TMJ4 News.